Hi skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oriolua and today I'm so excited to be talking about something that's been creating quite a buzz in the K-beauty world. The Reedle Shot 100. Yes, this is what we'll be talking about. If you're looking for a smoother, firmer and brighter skin, this might be your new go-to. This video will be discussing what the Reedle Shot 100 is, its benefits and its do's and don'ts. First off, the Reedle Shot 100 is not your typical moisturizer. It is an intense elasticity boosting serum designed to refine and smooth out rough skin while giving you that glow we all want. The key ingredients include green propolis, ammonia acid extract, Silca Reedle, Centella asiatica, triple I hyaluronic acid. Silca Reedle in the Reedle Shot 100 is made up of silica, which is a natural mineral. It gently stimulates the skin to promote the absorption of active ingredients. When you apply the serum on your face, it has this tingling sensation you feel upon application. I think I'm done with this. The current one I'm using is the Collagen Reedle Shot. This one, I hope you can see it, is this one. Is a Collagen Reedle Shot. This one especially, this is the 100 on. There is the 50, there is the 300 I think. There is the 700 and I think there is the 900 too. I'm going to show it on the screen for you to see. So this is like the 100 is like the less intense one. I don't know how the 300 is going to feel because I've not used it before. This one, most especially when I apply it on my face, there is like a needle, a tiny needle is picking on your skin, or I don't know how to explain it. It's like a tiny needle is shooking you, something like that. Even after you apply your serum, even when you're applying your serum, your moisturizer, you still feel that tightness, you still feel that tingling sensation. And I also feel the tingling sensation in the morning when I cleanse my face and I apply my toner. So I think after that it subsides. So we are going to talk about how to use the Reedle Shot. You're meant to use it in the evening, one, and you're meant to use it immediately after cleansing your face. So once you cleanse your face, you want to go in with this Reedle Shot. After that, you can go ahead and apply your serum, your moisturizer, and so on. And you want to ensure you apply your sunscreen the next day, the following day, before going out, to also build your tolerance as you use it. So you just have to apply small quantity. Let's say you want to start using this now, you want to apply small quantity and you build your tolerance the day goes by. So you cannot use this with any other Reedle Shots, 300, 700 and so on. So if you are using this, you have to use it alone. So guys, whenever you use the Reedle Shot 100, you don't want to use any skincare device like LED Max or the Medicube HR Booster Pro. The reason for this is because it will increase your skin irritation. Before you start using the Reedle Shot, you want to make sure you patch test to see if you have any skin irritation. When you want to do a patch test, you can go ahead and do it on your elbow or somewhere here, or your wrists, or the back of your ears. So you want to leave it for 24 hours or 12 hours to see if you have any skin irritation. Why does the tingling sensation occur? The tingling sensation is a natural phenomenon which occurs during the process of product absorption and nutrient delivery. Reedle Shot 100 can be used daily. It can be used every day in the evening only. You have to use it in your evening routine, not your morning routine. So guys, what is the benefit of the Reedle Shot? So number one, it helps in soothing. Number two, it helps in hydrating. It helps to properly absorb skincare ingredients into the skin. It also helps to remove dead skin cells with just one application. So guys, I'm just going to apply it for you guys to see how it looks, or I'll just show you the texture of it. I'm actually done with this. This is empty. This is the one I'm currently using. I've said that before. So guys, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it has a tingling sensation. I'm actually used to it because I've used the other one. Oof. I'm going to apply this on my face. Oof. The tingling sensation is not that bad, so it actually goes down after a while, unless you are applying other skincare products. So whenever you massage it into your skin, you feel that tingling sensation. You're wondering if the Reedle Shot 100 is worth adding to your skincare routine. Absolutely. To achieve a smooth and firm skin, you should definitely give this a try. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I'm going to link where you can purchase these products in the description below. And I also have a Yesstyle code. If you want to purchase anything from Yesstyle, please go ahead and use my code, which is Oreolua12. You get I think it's 5% discount or 10%, I'm not sure. So you get a discount on whatever you purchase. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.